Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by, I appreciate it. So before it gets too late, 7 p.m., I just want to make today's video. Just going over the tools that I sometimes use as an electrician, sometimes often, sometimes not very often, but nonetheless tools that I've used over the years. And want to start out with the angle grinder. This is for more of, for use with like metal studs, trying to, whether you're trying to get a box in a certain location, you have to cut the metal studs and make a pathway for your boxes or whatnot. Something's in the way, so stuff like that. And next would be a multi-tool or oscillating multi-tool. And most of these tools there's tons of different brands or whatnot, so either Milwaukee or Makita or DeWalt or just like some cheap store brand. This is just for like used for trying to do precision cuts, either like in cabinets for like a microwave plug, or just like cutting in sheetrock boxes, or cutting in a cut-in box for when you have to add a plug into the sheetrock or anything like that. So these are very helpful and handy. And there's also different attachments you can add on to here. You can add a little box blade on here, so you can literally just pull the trigger and then it'll cut a square rectangle for your box. Granted, that's the right size box, so that's really helpful. And then I think this one, I guess I didn't click on this one, but this is the Roto Hammer. And as you can see, most of these tools are pretty expensive, either from like $100 to $400. So this is Roto Hammer. This is for drilling into concrete or blocks or bricks or anything like that. Just basically into a concrete wall. You add a blade on top of that, or not a blade, but you put a drill bit at the end of it, and then it basically just turns like a wood bit, except that you're going through concrete, and it has a different tip or whatever. So I did pull up the blades, unless this is one right here. No, that's not. So anyways, I was going to show you what the drill bit looked like, but I don't have that ready right now. So anyways, you can look that up later if you want to. As you can see, there's tons of different brands. You got DeWalt, Makita, Bosch. Bosch is a good brand. Yeah, so just different styles for different applications. This is more of a heavy duty one. And then the Bandsaw, and this is just for mainly cutting pipe, EMT or stuff like that. Depends on your application, either copper pipe or whatever, if you're a plumber or whatnot, but this is more for electrical video. So this is just for cutting like pipe and stuff like that, or just anything PVC, anything that will fit in the blade and will needs to get cut. And then next we got the skill saw, and this is mainly just for cutting pieces of wood. I can't remember if I've used this the first time I ever used one. I feel like I used it on cutting a piece of what's the name of that stuff? I forgot the name of it, but I'm pretty sure I used it on metal the first time. I don't know if it had a metal blade on it, but anyways, mainly just for wood, so I would stick with that unless you got like a metal blade or whatnot. And then we got the Sawzall, and that's just basically a portable handsaw, which can have different blades for cutting wood or for cutting metal. So if you want to go EMT, which is kind of a more messy route, or if you want to cut a piece of wood, and you just need to take a tool portable with you. And most of these can be corded or cordless for the most part. And then next we got the hole hog, and that is mainly just for drilling holes. And wood can be used for other applications as well, but this is mainly just a heavy duty drill. If you want to see some of the pictures, this is with a more of a bigger hole saw or drill bit, for more like for plumber's application right there. And then there's some bigger ones up here, and then it doesn't really show the small ones. So anyways, mainly just for drilling holes, getting your wire through walls and stuff like that. Here's a portable example, just a little smaller one. These ones tend to get stuck a little bit more if you're going through too much wood, it'll seize up and then it'll be a real nightmare to try to get out. So not the biggest fan of those unless you're just going through one stud. And then we got lastly we got I think that's the last thing. Yeah, so this is just a normal drill set that mostly everyone needs at a job site. So just basically a handheld drill and impact for shooting screws and stuff like that. So anyways, those are the tools that I mainly use that I thought of off the top of my head. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed it, and want to see some more videos coming up. I'll probably see you guys back on Monday. I'm assuming I'm going back to work on Monday, but I'm not sure. But I'll keep you posted. And yep, that'll do it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. And check out the description for anything else if you want to check out social medias and follow me along there. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one. God bless.